Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate, two WhatsApp business accounts in one iPhone. So it's really, really easy and simple. So first things first, if you haven't already, guys, make sure you download WhatsApp Business. So if you have an iPhone and you want to use basically two WhatsApp accounts, you can actually run both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on your phone. So just download this first, and then I'll show you what to do. And make sure, guys, make sure that you're actually going to need a second phone number and a SIM card. So you'll actually need a dual SIM compatible device. Okay, so click on get and download it from the App Store. Then, guys, what you want to do is you want to basically just open WhatsApp Business. And what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to select use a different number. So WhatsApp Business will automatically detect your other WhatsApp account, but you can set up a different phone number with this app. Then what you guys want to do is you want to just enter your second phone number and just tap on done. All right, so WhatsApp will send you a confirmation message. So basically make sure that your number is actually correct. And now, guys, what's going to happen is um, you're going to have to first enter your verification code. So if WhatsApp Business asks you to do an iCloud backup, you can press restore if you want. All right. Then they're going to ask you for some personal details. So you'll have to enter your name and your business category. If you're actually not using this for a business, you can also select not a business category. That also is an option. You keeping that in mind. And then what you can do here, guys, is if you can also just tap on a not now if you want to skip on adding business information, for example, your email. And if you want to add business information, you can also tap on explore. Otherwise, once you've tapped on not now, you can use WhatsApp for Business as a second WhatsApp line on your iPhone. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit the like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll try to help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next